ChatGPT just rolled out something absolutely insane, and it's crazy because I don't really see anyone else talking about it yet. It's not a new AI model or AI agent. It's something completely different. And for the first time, it's something that can actually make you money online right inside of ChatGPT. What I'm talking about is called Instant Checkout. And this feature now lets people buy your actual products instantly right inside of their own personal chats without ever leaving the ChatGPT app. But why does this matter to you? Well, this means your products can now be recommended to the 190 million people who chat with ChatGPT every single day. All of them now becoming your new potential customers. And the best part is completely free. But there is a problem. Yes, ChatGPT Instant Checkout can potentially explode your business, but it only works if you know the exact type of products to sell, because ChatGPT is very specific on what it will recommend. And also, you need to know which platform to sell them on, because ChatGPT Instant Checkout is only available on one single platform right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly which platform you need to be selling on, exactly which type of products to sell so that they'll have the best opportunity to appear in ChatGPT Instant Checkout, and the exact settings you need to enter. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to create these products in less than 10 minutes and without having to pay anything upfront. Yes, I'm actually serious. If you don't believe me, just watch the video and you'll see for yourself. I also created a full checklist that goes along with this tutorial that you can follow that includes every step in all of my bonus tips that I can't fit in this video. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to learn is which platform you need to be selling on to capitalize on this new ChatGPT traffic. Because OpenAI is only working with one platform right now. It will be expanding to other platforms and marketplaces later, but for now, there's just one. So what is it? Well, if you ask ChatGPT a question like this, you'll see exactly which one I'm talking about. Can you help me find a great housewarming gift for my friend? Maybe handmade, ceramic dinnerware in white and tan, under $100. And instead of ChatGPT giving its usual response that you're probably used to, ChatGPT now gives you actual product recommendations that are clickable. And not only are they clickable, customers can now instantly check out and buy your product recommendations right inside their chat. And if you look right here, you'll see the one marketplace that OpenAI allows you to sell products through instant checkout right now, Etsy. Others like Shopify will be added later at some point, but for now, if you want to be one of the first people to jump on this new traffic opportunity, you need to be selling on Etsy. But that brings up a problem. What products should you sell if you want to appear here in instant checkout? Because you can't just sell anything. ChatGPT is very specific on what types of products can be purchased inside of your chats. From what I've researched through the OpenAI website, there's two main features every product must have if you want it to appear with the buy button. But before I tell you what they are, don't forget I'm also going to show you how to create these products that fit this criteria in less than 10 minutes and without paying anything upfront, right after this. So make sure you keep watching. But basically, the products must be one single item, not a bundled item where customers need to pick multiple things before they can check out. Like this, for example. And it can't be something that needs to be customized or personalized before or during the checkout, like this product. If you want more info on the exact product requirements from OpenAI, I've added all of that info inside of my video checklist, so I don't bore you with reading it all in this video, as well as some bonus tips. So if you haven't downloaded my checklist yet, make sure you get it from below in the description. But let me show you a real life example of a product so we're all on the same page and you know exactly what I mean. Here you can see I'm giving ChatGPT another prompt inside my own ChatGPT account. Help me find a great housewarming gift for my friend. I'm thinking popular scented candle. Please give me some ideas. And then you'll see ChatGPT gives me some product recommendations from Etsy. And here's one that comes up that has instant checkout available. And when you look closer at this product, you can see it checks both criteria boxes. It's a single item, not a bundle. And it's not customized or personalized. Also, candles are a perfect product to get started with on Etsy because here you can see it's something almost 1 million people are looking for to buy on Etsy every single month with a really great conversion rate. But if you want an even simpler example of a product that you can sell, here you can see I'm continuing my chat with ChatGPT, asking it to recommend a greeting card that would fit my gift. And when it responds, you can see that greeting cards can also show up with an instant checkout buy button. But I know you might be thinking, okay, great, Stacy, but I don't have any candles or greeting cards to sell. How do I do this if I don't have any products? Well, the simple answer is to use a method called print on demand through free platforms like Printify. If you're not sure what print on demand is, it's basically a way for you to customize and sell physical products online without ever having to buy any inventory upfront. You can get started for free by creating a Printify account. There's a link down below if you want to follow along with this tutorial. Then all you have to do is pick a product that you want to sell from their catalog of over 1,000 products. It doesn't even have to be a candle or a greeting card like I showed you. You can pick whatever you like as long as it fits the instant checkout criteria that I just showed you. Then once you pick your product, you just have to add your own design or text to it. Then upload it to your Etsy shop to sell as your own. Then each time you get a sale, Printify will create and ship the product to your customers for you. The best thing about print on demand, especially for beginners, is that once you design your product, your print on demand business is completely hands-off and completely automated. Let me show you what I mean. So once you create your Printify account, click on the catalog and select a product that you want to sell. I'm sticking with the candle example I showed you earlier. Then click on Start Designing. Next, the Printify editor will appear, where you can see a template of the candle label in the center, or a template of whatever product you chose. Now, all you have to do is upload your own image by clicking here. Or you can add your own text by clicking right here. And here you can see I've sped up myself designing this label for my own candle. But in real time, it only took me less than 3 minutes to do this. Now, one thing I do need to mention, and this is really important, if you watched this video that I previously created on how to create personalized products on Printify, you'll remember that I use the personalized text option because personalized products are really popular on Etsy. They're literally selling like crazy. But do not use the personalized option now. Because remember when I said earlier that the product cannot be something that is customized before or during checkout, or it won't be shown as an instant checkout product in ChatGPT. So make sure you don't use the personalized option in the editor when you're creating your product for this tutorial. But if you do want to take advantage of the popularity of personalized products on Etsy and learn how to create and sell them with Printify, watch this video here. The link is here or below in the video description. But for now, once you finish creating your product in the Printify editor, click on the preview button here to see what it will look like once Printify creates and ships your products to your customers. If you're happy with the mockups that you see on this page, click here to save it and continue. Next, this last page will come up where you need to enter your product details. Now, I want you to pay close attention to what I'm going to show you next, because this is the most important part of this whole tutorial. Because what you write here for your product title, description, price, shipping, and other product settings could be the difference between your product showing up for ChatGPT instant checkout or not even being recommended at all. So one of the things I love about Printify is that its AI can actually write your product title, description, and keywords for you. To do that, just click on this button here. Then write a simple description of what your product is, like this. Then when you hit this button, Printify AI will write everything for you. Now, what Printify AI writes is usually pretty good, but there is a slight problem. It's set up perfectly for Etsy or other marketplaces, which is usually okay. Great, actually, if you want your products to only appear on Etsy, but it's not great for ChatGPT instant checkout. The point of this tutorial is to give your products the best chance at showing up in ChatGPT, and more importantly, instant checkout. So once Printify writes all of your information for you, you need to check it for the following things. First, that there's no random keyword stuffing, which is a really popular tactic to get ranked on Etsy. Here's an example of what I mean by keyword stuffing. This type of product title, where you have a bunch of different short keywords all stuffed into your title, works great if you only want your products to be found on Etsy. Here you can see the title I'm using for my own Printify product. And do you see the difference? The updated title includes keywords that are more conversational, that people on ChatGPT are actually chatting or searching for. Next, you need to have a description that is very clear on what your product is, what the product contains, the material, size, and any other details about the product itself. Here you can see the example description that I wrote following this exact structure. I'm not going to read the entire thing, so pause the video if you want to check it out. Next is tags, which really don't matter at the moment for ChatGPT ranking, but it will help on Etsy, and they may come into play later once ChatGPT expands. Next, you have personalization, which I already covered. Make sure you have this setting turned off. Next is shipping, which is really important to have set up correctly. Thankfully, Printify does all of this for you, so you can leave this setting as automatically assigned. Now we have pricing, where you want to make sure you only have one variant listed here or one option. Then make sure you price your product so that you're actually making a profit, which you can see here. Because the way that print on demand works, in the way that you actually get paid, which is the whole point, is that because you don't have to pay anything upfront for the products that you create and sell through Printify, Printify will instead take a small cut of the selling price to pay for the product and production, but only after you sell something. Then you get to keep the profit. You can see all of the pricing details here. Next, for variant visibility, you want to have this option selected so that your listing only shows available products. Then, once you have all of this updated, your product is ready to publish to your Etsy shop by clicking here. I wasn't kidding when I said it takes less than 10 minutes to create a product with Printify. Then, once you click this button, it will be automatically published to your Etsy shop and available for people to buy. Now, a few important things I need to point out. First, I can't guarantee, actually no one really knows how long it will take for your products to be indexed or found on ChatGPT, because it's all up to how well you optimize your product listings and follow OpenAI's instructions. But by following what I showed you in this tutorial, selling on Etsy, and staying on top of OpenAI's updates on ChatGPT Instant Checkout and shopping, you're already setting yourself up for success. Next, ChatGPT Instant Checkout is only available right now to US sellers and buyers, with more countries and marketplaces being added in the very near future. But don't complain saying that it's not available in your country, because even if your country isn't available yet, it makes sense to set up your products in this way now so that you're ready and one step ahead of everyone else when OpenAI does expand worldwide. Because when that does happen, everyone else will be scrambling to set this up and you'll already be ranking. Also, make sure you don't rely on ChatGPT recommendations as your only traffic strategy. Make sure you're still promoting your products on social media, and also my favorite, Pinterest. I added a link to my personal Pinterest marketing training below this video if you're interested in learning that. And also check out this playlist on my channel if you want to learn more about different online business ideas. Next, it doesn't cost anything to buy a product through ChatGPT Instant Checkout, but it does cost the seller a small fee, so you need to price your products keeping this in mind. But even though ChatGPT Instant Checkout and product recommendations is somewhat unpredictable right now, this is just the beginning of ChatGPT shopping. And like the tech bros like to say, this is the worst AI is ever gonna be. It's only gonna get better from here. So by learning this new traffic strategy now, even if it's not perfect yet, you're still 100 steps ahead of everyone else. And more importantly, 100 steps ahead of your competitors. But if this sounds like a lot, I totally get it. To make it easier for you, make sure you download the video checklist I created to go along with this tutorial, because it includes all of the steps I just covered, links to all of the OpenAI documentation on ChatGPT shopping, plus some extra bonus tips to help you succeed. And last thing, if you want even more help from me personally, please join my community by clicking the link below this video, because there I share more in-depth tutorials and also do live Q&A with my members to help answer your questions. The community is free to join now, but it won't be free forever. So if you're interested in joining, make sure you do that soon. Hopefully, I see you there.